very big cup of chocolates.
Yes.
And this is
Chocolate
ensaymada. Ang sarap. Kagat nga.
Chocolates, dami Plural.
Chocolates, 2 cups.
2 cups of chocolates.
Chocolate. Sorry, this is not chocolate anyway. This is coffee. Coffee.
Ang arte na may accent.
I'm sweating because of chocolates. Sarap pa ng chocolate dito sa Tagaytay, ano? I'm sure you'll be back next year.
Ay, Ate Jo! Patay ka, lalabas ka na ng YouTube.
Oh.
Scandal ni Sir Boards. Chocolates.
Again,
Chocolates.
a bite of ensaymada.
Mama-discover ka ni Ellen.
Ellen.
Ellen the Generous ba yun?
Ganon.
Pwede ka lang commercial ng Goldilocks.
Parang gutom na gutom, ano? Talagang grabe.
Chocolates.
Again, chocolates. Tigilan mo na nga ng Liza. Tama na. I'm almost done with my ensaymada, okay?
Yes.
Okay. So, last bite. Okay? Last round for chocolates.
Patay ka, scandal ka sa YouTube.
Tama na.